Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 basic Java entry question. What is the use of transient keyword? The transient keyword in Java is used to indicate that a field should not be serialized. Say you have a class called employee. In that class, employee ID is there. You don't want to involve this employee ID in the serialization process. You can mark that employee ID as transient. So what will happen is, during the serialization process, employee ID will be skipped. So it will not be involved in the serialization process. So to simply say, to skip the serialization process, you can mark transient. What are static methods? Static methods are also called as class methods. Can only operate on static variables. So please remember, static means they are attached to the class and not to any of the objects. Though you can access using the objects, but still they are attached to the class. If you see the decompiled code, if you see using the decompiled code, you can check it will be replaced with the class name. What is the final variable? Final variable is a variable constant. Variable value can't be changed after instantiation. So once the variable value is initialized, it cannot be re-initialized. You can use final variable as variable constant in your application. What is final method? Final method means it cannot be overridden in the subclass. For example, I have a class and I am giving a method and I mark that method as final. In the subclass, I don't want anyone to keep their own implementation. I don't want anyone to override and give their own implementation. So in order to protect that, I can mark a method as a final. That means this is the final implementation code for the particular method. What is a final class? A final class means a class can't be subclassed or no other class can extend it. For example, I have a class final employee. I have marked this employee class as final. The meaning here is I don't want any other class to extend this class. For example, in Java, string class is marked as final, so they don't want anyone to extend the string class and give their own implementation. So here also, contract employee tried to extend the employee, but it's not possible since the employee class is marked as final. Hope this video is useful. Thank you and all the best.